Your neck is screaming at you because you spent another night tossing and turning on a flat, lumpy rectangle that should have been thrown away years ago. Then you see the Laurier Pillow popping up in your social media feed with massive promises of ending your snoring and fixing your sleep apnea forever. It looks like something from a science fiction movie with those strange curves and deep dips designed to cradle your skull. The marketing is aggressive and polished. It makes the product sound like the holy grail for anyone who wakes up feeling like they were in a wrestling match. This company claims their ergonomic shape keeps your airway open, which sounds great in theory. But we need to talk about the reality of these bold health claims. A pillow is a piece of bedding. It is not a medical device cleared by a doctor. When a brand starts talking about treating sleep apnea, they are stepping into territory that usually requires specialized machines and prescriptions. It is a real product you can actually buy, so it is not a scam in the sense that they just take your money and disappear. However, the gap between the marketing and the actual science is where things get very blurry. You have to look past the shiny testimonials featured on their own website. Those are always going to be the best success stories. If you dig a little deeper into independent forums, the picture is a lot more complicated. Some people love the support and say it actually helps their neck pain. Others are complaining about long shipping times or a customer service team that seems to vanish when you ask for a refund. That money-back guarantee sounds like a perfect safety net until you actually try to use it. You might find yourself jumping through hoops just to get a simple response. We are all desperate for a good night of rest. Companies know exactly how to play on that vulnerability. They use words like ergonomic and airway support to make a standard foam cushion sound like a breakthrough in human biology. If you are struggling with serious breathing issues at night, a new pillow is probably not going to be the magic wand you are looking for. It might make you more comfortable. Better posture can certainly help with minor snoring issues. But calling it a solution for a clinical medical disorder is a stretch that should make you pause. You should always check the return policy with a magnifying glass before you hit that checkout button. Shipping costs for returns can often be almost as much as the pillow itself. This is a common tactic to keep you from sending it back. The feedback from real-world users is a mixed bag of some happy sleepers and a lot of frustrated buyers who feel the product did not live up to the hype. Do your homework. Look for reviews on sites the company does not control. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. This is especially true when it comes to your health. Trust your own gut more than a flashy social media ad. A pillow can be comfortable without being a miracle cure. Take the time to read the fine print. Understand that your sleep health is worth more than a quick fix in a cardboard box. Be a skeptical shopper because your wallet and your neck will thank you later. Do not let the smooth marketing talk you into something without doing your own research first.